Iguodala to Curry, back to Iguodala.
So as you can see, what we're going to be doing is fixing up this Lebron sculpt. I actually made the base for the sculpt myself. I would go grab the base, but I'll probably just put a clip in showing you the base. And I made another guy too, but I'm going to remake him. But for right now, we're going to fix up this Lebron. I found out that you can make decals with regular paper, so I have some decals that are drying right now. As you can see, I need to touch up some spots. I need to touch up the basketball. I can see around the mouth, I need to touch it up. And you know, that's basically it. And just put the decals on. I'm not going to do too much to this. Alright, so what I have here is a printed sheet of decals. As you can tell, I got all different players. I just made a whole bunch of different players I'm thinking about making. I'm not sure if I'm going to make everybody on here. As you see, I made all the little logos. I made a bunch of little NBA logos because, you know, they go everywhere. And basically, I'm going to try to seal this piece of paper. I'm going to spray it with the So we went ahead and we put the sealer on the figure, some sealer on the decals, and it did not really work. It's not really sticking. I did try the hair dryer. I did everything I saw in the other videos. I don't know if it was because I sealed my decals first that they're not really sticking on, but I guess I'm gonna have to glue them on with regular glue or somehow. I got some ideas. I'm gonna figure this out. Alright, here we go. We got the completed figure. I painted around the decals. I know it looks crazy right there, but after I seal it, it won't look that crazy. So I'm about to hit it with this sealer. This is a different kind of sealer. This is a dull sealer. This is a dull sealer. So it's not going to be shiny. It's going to be dull, and it's going to basically just tie it all together. And side note, also did the tattoos, just scribble something on there real quick. This is kind of like his tattoos, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, this is a miniature.
Iguodala to Curry, back to Iguodala, up for